Over the last couple of years, the Canton Lake levels become low enough that we've become concerned with the quality of water in the lake. And so this last spring, we approached the Corps of Engineers and Oklahoma City about partnering with us to figure out the best solution to tackle this issue. We decided that putting a couple of water circulators into the lake would help improve the water quality. Today we came out here to place 2 of them. They'll bring up cooler water from the bottom and bring it up to the surface, and that will help mix that water. And also when that water comes up and comes in contact with the air, it'll take oxygen out of there, which will put more oxygen into the water. We've got one placed in the deepest hole of the lake, just right out from the Canadian area. Another one we placed down towards the dam. And hopefully these 2 areas will provide a little bit of a refuge for fish if water quality continues to degrade throughout the summer.
The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers at Canton Lake here, the project purposes that they outline are flood control, water supply, and sometimes they don't quite put the value on recreation out here that we might with the Wildlife Department. This recreational fishery out here in northwest Oklahoma is one of the best walleye fishery, and sand bass, catfish, we've got it all. So this is a good example of a partnership between Oklahoma City, City of Oklahoma City, who has the water supply storage here, the Oklahoma Department of Wildlife Conservation, and the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. You know, our hope here at Canton Lake is that if we can preserve this fishery, you know, we don't want to have to come in and restock this thing because it would take years, you would lose the recreation, and it would take us probably 10 years to get this lake back. Our goal here is that if we have these refuges out here, we can preserve the fishery for the long term.
This is a relatively new management technique that we're going to be trying here at Canton, and you know, if it shows promise, it may be an option that, you know, we could take to other lakes and try there too.
I'd like to remind you that the controlled hunt results are out. If you put in for controlled hunt, you can go to wildlifedepartment.com and see if you were one of the lucky hunters that drew a hunt. Good luck and safe hunting this fall.
Hey, if you're planning on doing some bow fishing this summer, keep in mind that you'll need a fishing license to do so, unless you're exempt. Good luck.
Oklahoma's central location and diverse habitats ranging from coastal prairies to high mesas have created a unique mixture of amphibians and reptiles. But identification can be challenging. There are over 50 species of amphibians and over 80 species of reptiles in our state. The Field Guide to Oklahoma's Amphibians and Reptiles can help narrow down the choices. This book is separated into 5 distinct categories, providing photographs, range maps, and a detailed description of each species. Visit the department's online outdoor store to order your copy today.